Garmin Edge 1000 back cover replacement. To remove the back cover you need a Torx T6 screwdriver and start removing the 8 screws from the back. After you remove the screws, just open it gently. You have a ribbon, a tape that will cover the charging from the battery connector cables. Just lift up to disconnect the battery and then unplug the charging connector flex. This is how you separate them. Remove the gasket and you will need to remove the battery to move it on the new case. To do that, the easiest spot is on this corner here. So just put the pry tool underneath there and just push and the battery will come off. You have two wires from the speakers that you need to unsolder. And you need to solder them on the new case. The new case that we provide already have the charging flex on them, so you don't need to take that charging flex off. And now just solder back the speakers, wires from the speakers. If you don't have a soldering iron, and you don't need to hear the beep sound, you just don't connect them. Now just plug the battery back, put the wires on this corner. There is a special gap for the wires, and just stick the battery in the slot. Now you need to put the gasket back. The gasket have a special shape, so you need to put it the right way, and just if it's the right way, it will slide in place without any problems. Okay, so if the gasket sits properly, you can reattach it back to the unit. Start by connecting the battery connector. Press on it. You can feel that it's clicking back. You can put the tape. Just press on it and secure it. Connect the charging connector flex, click it and just close it back. You can put the screws. And then we need to move the logo plate. Don't forget to test the front buttons to see if they are still clicking. If they click, they are okay. If they are not clicking, just unscrew a bit those two. To remove the logo plate, just use something to hit the logo a bit. A hair dryer on hot, I think, is more than enough. Then try to bend a bit the case to push it from the back, and with a thin blade just slide it between and it's coming off. Very easy. without bending the logo. And will come with the adhesive on the back. Stick it on the new case, and this is how you replace a new back cover. Thank you.